Hello everyone, welcome to Madrasan's kitchen. So on this special occasion, we are going to make 3 types of variety modak. Very quick and easy to make. So here we go.
So today we are going to make 3 types of modak, that is tutti frutti modak, paneer modak and pan modak. Let's start with tutti frutti modak now. Take a pan, add 2 spoons of ghee to it, let it melt. At this stage, add 1 cup of suji, saute it nicely till all gets mixed well. You just need to saute it for 2 minutes and shift it in a plate. Take a pan again and add 2 spoons of ghee to it. Add 1½ cup of milk. And mix it all well. Let it get a boil first, and at that stage add our sauteed suji. Add a little and mix it well. Once it gets thick, keep stirring it in low flame. And at this stage, add 2 cups of sugar and mix it nicely. The sugar gets dissolved. Add ½ spoon of ghee to it, and it's optional. This is the perfect consistency. So add tutti frutti to it. And mix it nicely. Now off the flame and take it out. Grease it with oil or butter. Fill the fillings and give a perfect shape of modak. So our super delicious, very simple tutti frutti modak is ready. Now let's make paneer modak. Take paneer and cut into pieces and grind it nicely. You'll get a very creamy texture. Now take a pan and add the grinded paneer to it. Mix it nicely. Add 1 cup of condensed milk. This is gonna give a very sweet taste, so we don't need to add sugar in it. Give a nice mix to it. Add 1 spoon or half spoon of vanilla extract and good amount of rose color. Keep stirring it in low flame till it gets in thick consistency. So I am giving a pinkish color to my modak. So it's up to your choice. You can also give a kesar color to it. So I think we are almost done. This is the good consistency for our paneer modak. Let's cool it for 10 minutes. Grease it with oil again. Take a little filling and give it a good shape. Paneer modak would be very soft and delicate. Remove it gently. So here we got a very good shape. So here we are done with our delicate paneer modak. Wow, looks amazing. So now let's make pan modak. Take a jar, take 3 pan leaf, cut the edges and cut it into pieces. Grind it nicely. You can add water or milk to it. Now take a pan, add good amount of ghee. Add a cup of milk. Mix it nicely. Let's get a boil. At this stage, add milk powder. It shouldn't get any lumps. Keep adding a little of milk powder and keep stirring it. Add grinded pan to it and mix it well. This would give a very light green color. This step is completely optional. I have added a food green color. Mix it nicely. Add 1 cup of sugar to it. Mix it till it gets dissolved. Now add 1½ cup of suji. Mix a little. Keep mixing it in low flame till it gets very thick. So I think we are almost done with it. Now let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes. And make the modak shapes as we did before. So we are also done with our super delicious pan modak. It looks amazing. So celebrate your Ganesh Chaturthi festival with your family with this amazing and easy modaks.